How to test a fan clutch. Your vehicle's fan clutch is an often overlooked but important little part. It's responsible for gauging the temperature of the air passing through the radiator and keeping the engine from overheating. A slipping fan clutch can result in failed cooling, increased engine strain, and poor fuel efficiency, which is why it's important to evaluate the condition of your vehicle's fan clutch if you suspect it might be wearing out. You can do this by making a note of unusual noise or temperatures while driving, inspecting the housing for oil leakage or physical damage, and measuring the amount of resistance offered by the fan blades. Welcome to Auto V Fix, our YouTube channel dedicated to all things automobiles. We offer clear explanations on car-related issues and essential components, as well as professional tips to help maintain your vehicle. In this video, we will guide you on how to test a fan clutch. Keep watching to learn more. Detecting problems while driving. 1. Pay attention to changes in air temperature. One of the most common symptoms of a fan clutch on the outs is an inability to properly cool the air circulating through the vehicle. Switch on the AC and turn it down to the coldest setting. If it fails to cool down after several minutes or seems to be emitting unusually warm air, there could be a problem. 2. Listen for excessive noise when driving at high speeds. When a fan clutch binds or locks up, the air passing through it can produce a gentle roar that's audible from inside the cabin of the vehicle. The next time you're driving about 50 mph, 80 km/h or higher, take note of how the fan sounds. Activity that's louder than normal may indicate binding. 3. Start your vehicle and listen for the fan to engage. Give the engine a little time to warm up. After 4 or 5 minutes, the fan clutch should come to life. Assuming it doesn't, or that it's sluggish when it finally gets moving, it may be on its last legs. The same is true if the fan speed accelerates as soon as you start the vehicle. 4. See if the fan slows or stops when you increase your speed. Press down on the accelerator gradually to bring the vehicle up to highway speed while you monitor the movement of the fan clutch. Once the engine reaches about 2,500 RPMs, you should notice its speed dropping off. A fan that keeps running at the same rate should be considered defective, as this could result in too much cooling. Inspecting the fan clutch manually. 1. Pop the hood. Before you go looking for your fan clutch, make sure your vehicle is in the park, with the engine off and the handbrake firmly engaged. If necessary, use the hood strut to hold the hood up so you can work unobstructed. 2. Locate your vehicle's fan clutch. You'll find the fan clutch bolted to the water pump at the front of the engine compartment between the radiator and the engine. The entire unit is only about 1 foot, 30 cm, tall by 1 foot, 30 cm wide, most of which is the circular fan component. The outer housing may make your vehicle's fan clutch slightly larger and can be either round or rectangular. 3. Examine the unit's general condition. You'll be able to tell right away if something is out of place or if there's any major structural damage. On a functional fan clutch, the fan blades will all be lined up neatly inside the housing, which should sit upright with an equal amount of space between the radiator and the engine. 4. Feel for excess movement in the fan and housing. Wiggle each of the fan blades individually to see if they feel damaged or displaced. Do the same for the metal housing that surrounds the fan itself. Loose, rattling pieces send a loud and clear message that you need to have your fan clutch replaced. 5. Spot check for oil leaks. Run your finger along the edges of the bearing seal on the backside of the fan clutch. If it comes away with a heavy coating of oil, the culprit is either a crack or a faulty seal. Radial streaks are another potential clue. This happens when oil escapes from the clutch and is then blown outward in all directions by the fan. 6. Turn the fan by hand. Grab the edge of one of the blades and give it a good push. While there should be a little bit of give, it shouldn't spin more than 3 complete rotations. Too much freewheeling is usually a sign that the clutch is prone to slipping. On the other hand, too much resistance means the clutch is binding and can't turn freely. In either case, it will need to be replaced. 7. Have your fan clutch replaced by a professional. Once you think you've uncovered the source of the problem, take your vehicle to a trusted garage for repairs. A qualified mechanic will be able to confirm your findings and take the necessary steps to get the clutch working correctly again. They might even be able to turn up other potential complications that you didn't catch. Congratulations! You have completed the tutorial on how to test a fan clutch. If you found the video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more DIY automotive content, and hit the notification bell. We would love to hear your suggestions for future topics in the comments section below. Remember to always drive safely and stay happy. Thank you for watching.